How's it going, everyone? With Georgia EAS here. So, as you've seen from my last two videos, a tornado warning was issued for north of Murphy, North Carolina, and there was also a severe thunderstorm warning just issued that I just got done recording. I looked out the window and I saw this beautiful light show coming off of that thunderstorm. Oh, wow, that one was beautiful. Makes me wish I still had my drone so I could go up and just watch that storm right now. Oh man, why did I have to get rid of it? Used to do drone shots of severe storms like this. It was awesome. Oh wow, that was beautiful. Wow. You probably can't hear it, but there is constant thunder right now. I mean, it just continues rolling. Whoa, look at that cloud. It kind of looks like a wall cloud almost, but it's not. Although it is almost 9:15 and the tornado warning will be canceled at 9:15. Wow. I mean, just look at that cloud right there. That is one mean looking cloud. I'll zoom all the way out for you guys. And if you hear my stomach growling, I am so sorry. It's a beautiful lightning, I tell you. It's constant too, which is crazy. You know, it would be awesome if there was just a lightning strike that maybe jumped right there from a cloud to cloud. That would be so beautiful. This is absolutely awesome. This is an amazing lightning show. I love lightning shows so much. A moment ago, there was just lightning struck back that way, which was weird as shit. Oh wow, that was beautiful. What in the world are you doing, Chimperdoodles? Chimperdoodle over there killing everybody. Oh wow, that was beautiful. See the storm right there. It clears off. That's back towards the west. It's back towards the east. Storm's moving east. Obviously. Smart ass. This is fucking awesome. Excuse my French, but this is the best lightning show I've had this year. Other lightning shows that I've had is freaking cloud to ground strikes right in front of me and scaring the living daylights out of me. I'm not all for that kind of lightning. I'm sorry, but I can't handle that lightning. It's a little too scary. It's a little too close. It's too close. It's a little close call. But I mean, wouldn't it be awesome if there was just a lightning strike that just went way out of the cloud into the sky? I've always wanted to see one in real life happen just like that. It would be so beautiful. That was pretty. The clouds are moving on behind the trees, so it's getting hard to see the lightning. They're slowly moving out. In my weather room, I'm thinking about bringing out my weather cam again. Comment down below, guys, if y'all think I should bring out my weather cam again, because when I had my weather cam, I used to have all kinds of awesome lightning shots like this. So it's basically a window, like just a few feet away from me, pulling exactly the same way this camera's pulling, where it would always see a good thunderstorm, and I would always get, wow, that was pretty, and I would always get like a real strong lightning. So yeah, just let me know, guys. Wow, that was pretty. Alrighty, well, the clouds are about moved out, as you can see, so I'm going to go upload these videos, and we will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.